This video is about enthalpy and phase change diagram. If you consider thermodynamics as two people in a relationship, you might find it easier to understand the concepts behind. To study thermodynamics, we would have to define the system we're looking at and the surroundings that interact with the system. There are three types of systems: open, closed, and isolated, and we will use different relationship status to describe each of them. Think of the system as a couple, and the two crucial factors, matter and energy, as going on dates and interacting with people other than their significant others. An open system represents an open relationship, in which the couple is open to going out on dates and interacting with others despite being in a relationship. In this case, going on dates is like exchanging matter, whereas exchanging interactions is like exchanging energy. A closed system is when the couple is in a stable relationship. There is a fixed amount of matter in a closed system, meaning the couple is not going out on dates with people other than each other, but they can still have friendly interactions with others. Thus, while there is no exchange of matters, the exchange of energy with the surroundings still occurs. Lastly, an isolated system is like a married couple. Dates and interactions that can potentially lead to affairs are not allowed. The types of interactions between the system and surroundings can be classified as exothermic or endothermic. In an exothermic reaction, energy is released, meaning it is transferred from the system to the surroundings, raising the temperature of the surroundings. In this case, heat is a product of the reaction. On the other hand, in an endothermic reaction, the system absorbs heat from the surroundings, which in turn decreases the surrounding temperature. In this case, heat is a reactant. The phase change diagram can be a good way to look at endo and exothermic reactions. It is a plot of temperature against energy input and represents the phase transformation of a matter. From A to B, the matter is in its solid phase. In the solid, molecules are rigidly ordered and do not move easily. The mass, volume, and shape stay the same. It is like a newly met couple just getting to know each other. There'd be a lot of formality, and the two might be more cautious and reserved. From B to C, the matter goes through a phase change from solid to liquid, also known as melting. The molecules continue to absorb energy but remains at the same temperature because the energy absorbed is used to overcome the intermolecular interactions, in the case, breaking the formality between the two people. From C to D, the matter is in its liquid phase. In a liquid, molecules are able to move around, meaning that unlike solids, liquids do not have a definite shape, although its mass and volume remain the same. From D to E, the matter is going through another phase change from liquid to gas, or vaporization. At the last phase, from E to F, the matter is in its gaseous phase. In a gas, molecules are able to move freely. There is no fixed shape or volume. It could be described as a couple now being able to freely be themselves in front of each other. Going from solid to gas, it can almost be seen as a progression towards becoming closer between two people in a relationship. Notice that the slope of the three segments are different. It is because of the different heat capacity of the matter in different phase. Heat capacity is the ratio of the heat supplied to the rise in temperature produced. The slope of the liquid phase in this diagram is much steeper because it takes less energy to increase the temperature than the solid and gaseous phase of the matter, meaning that the heat capacity of the liquid phase is the lowest. Hope the analogy between thermodynamics and relationships make the concepts more easily understood.